Want to elevate your marketing game? Feeling stuck in the rut of common marketing problems? Let's take a moment to dissect this. Every day, businesses, big and small, grapple with an array of marketing challenges. They struggle to reach their target audience, to create engaging content that resonates, and to convert leads into loyal customers. And let's not forget the Herculean task of staying ahead in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Each of these issues can feel like a roadblock, stunting your business growth and success. But what if there was a solution? A one-stop shop designed specifically to tackle these marketing headaches, leaving you free to focus on what you do best, running your business. A solution that understands your needs and helps you navigate the complex world of marketing with ease and efficiency. Enter ONPASSIVE, a solution designed to solve your marketing woes. But before I continue, please help me to grow my channel by subscribing. I'm trying to help as many people as I can, and you subscribing will help. Thanks. Also, as usual, please like and comment below. I appreciate it. So, what exactly is ONPASSIVE, and how can it help your business? ONPASSIVE is a technologically advanced AI-driven platform that's designed to streamline and elevate your marketing game. It is more than just another tool in your marketing arsenal. It's an all-in-one solution that brings together diverse features under a single umbrella, making marketing more efficient, effective, and stress-free. Imagine a platform that takes care of all your marketing needs. From SEO to email marketing, social media management to customer relationship management, ONPASSIVE is your one-stop destination. It's like having a team of expert marketers at your fingertips, ready to take on your marketing challenges head-on. But ONPASSIVE isn't just about providing tools, it's about providing solutions. Every feature in ONPASSIVE has been designed to tackle the common problems businesses face in their marketing journeys. Struggling to keep track of your leads? ONPASSIVE's AI-driven CRM can help. Finding it hard to rank on search engines? ONPASSIVE's SEO tools can give you that much-needed boost. The benefits of using ONPASSIVE are manifold. For starters, it saves you time. With ONPASSIVE, you no longer need to juggle between multiple platforms. Everything you need is right there, integrated seamlessly. It also saves you money. Instead of investing in multiple tools, you invest in one comprehensive solution that caters to all your needs. Moreover, ONPASSIVE gives you insights. Its AI capabilities allow it to analyze your data, spot trends, and provide actionable insights. This means you can make data-driven decisions, improving your chances of success. And let's not forget the ease of use. ONPASSIVE has been designed with user-friendliness in mind. You don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate through its features. It's as easy as it gets. In essence, ONPASSIVE is more than just a marketing tool. It's a comprehensive solution for your business. It's your partner in your journey towards growth and success. It's your ticket to a hassle-free, effective marketing experience. ONPASSIVE is more than just a marketing tool. It's a comprehensive solution for your business. Now that you know what ONPASSIVE is, let's delve deeper into its functionalities. ONPASSIVE is not just a platform. It's a revolutionary tool that integrates several features to streamline your marketing efforts. These features are designed to solve common marketing problems and elevate your marketing game to new heights. Let's start with ONPASSIVE's AI-driven tools. These tools are like your virtual marketing assistant, using cutting-edge technology to analyze data, predict trends, and automate repetitive tasks. This leaves you with more time to focus on creating innovative marketing strategies. Next, ONPASSIVE's CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, is a game changer. It allows you to manage your customer information, track interactions, and nurture relationships, all in one place. This centralized approach to customer management helps you create personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience. ONPASSIVE also offers a robust email marketing tool. With it, you can design stunning newsletters, automate your email campaigns, and track your performance. This tool helps you connect with your audience on a personal level, driving engagement and boosting conversions. But that's not all. ONPASSIVE's social media management feature allows you to manage all your social media platforms from one dashboard. You can schedule posts, engage with your audience, and track your performance across different platforms. This feature enables you to maintain a consistent brand presence and reach a wider audience. Let's not forget ONPASSIVE's SEO tools. These tools help you optimize your content, improve your website's visibility, and rank higher on search engine results. This boosts your online presence, attracting more traffic to your website and increasing your chances of conversion. And finally, ONPASSIVE's analytics tools give you a clear picture of your marketing performance. They provide you with valuable insights, helping you understand what's working and what's not. This allows you to make data-driven decisions and continuously improve your marketing strategies. With ONPASSIVE, you can transform your marketing strategies and achieve better results. With its wide range of features and functionalities, ONPASSIVE is more than just a platform, it's your partner in marketing success. But how does ONPASSIVE work in real life? How does it make a difference? Imagine a small clothing boutique in the heart of London. Despite their unique designs and quality material, they struggle to make their mark in an oversaturated market. Enter ONPASSIVE. With its advanced AI-driven marketing solutions, the boutique was able to identify their target audience, streamline their marketing efforts, and significantly increase their online presence. The result? A remarkable surge in sales and a robust customer base blooming with loyal patrons. Now let's teleport to a tech startup in Silicon Valley. They had a revolutionary product, but they were having a hard time getting the word out. ONPASSIVE came into play and reshaped their marketing landscape. It optimized their digital advertising, ensuring their innovative product reached the right audience at the right time. With ONPASSIVE's help, the startup not only increased their visibility, but also managed to secure substantial funding for their next big project. And then there's the case of a family-run bakery in Sydney. They had been in business for decades, but their traditional marketing methods were losing steam. ONPASSIVE's AI-powered predictive analysis helped them understand emerging trends and customer behaviors. Consequently, they could tailor their offerings to meet the changing demands. Today, they're not just a local favorite, but a thriving online business with customers from across the country. These are just a few success stories among countless others that have used ONPASSIVE to their advantage. From small boutiques to tech startups to traditional businesses, ONPASSIVE has been the wind beneath the wings, aiding them to soar higher. It has helped businesses overcome their marketing challenges, reach wider audiences, and achieve unprecedented success. Whether it's about understanding your audience, optimizing your advertising, or predicting market trends, ONPASSIVE wraps it all up in an easy-to-use AI-powered package. It's not just about solving problems, it's about turning those problems into opportunities for growth. As you can see, ONPASSIVE can make a real difference in your marketing strategies. You might be wondering, why should I choose ONPASSIVE over other marketing tools? A valid question indeed. Let's dive into what makes ONPASSIVE stand head and shoulders above the rest. First and foremost, ONPASSIVE is not just another marketing tool. It's an all-in-one marketing ecosystem. It's like having a personal army of marketing experts at your disposal, working around the clock to ensure your brand reaches its full potential. ONPASSIVE's unique selling point lies in its AI-driven approach. It's like having a crystal ball that not only predicts the future of your marketing campaigns, but also takes proactive steps to ensure their success. It does this by analyzing vast amounts of data, learning from it, and then making intelligent decisions that propel your business forward. It's not just about executing tasks, it's about strategizing, innovating, and constantly improving. Secondly, ONPASSIVE is designed to be user-friendly. No need for multiple platforms or tools. Everything you need is right there, under one roof. This not only saves you time and effort, but also ensures a seamless and consistent marketing approach. Thirdly, ONPASSIVE is adaptable. It grows with your business. As your business expands and your marketing needs evolve, ONPASSIVE adapts and scales up to meet those needs. It's not a rigid platform, it's a flexible and dynamic tool that adjusts itself to your business's pace and direction. Lastly, ONPASSIVE provides actionable insights. It doesn't just collect data, it makes sense of it. It transforms raw data into valuable insights that guide your decision-making process. It's not about drowning in a sea of data, it's about sailing on an ocean of insights. So why choose ONPASSIVE? Because it's more than a tool, it's a partner that understands your business, shares your vision, and works tirelessly to turn that vision into reality. It's not about doing marketing, it's about elevating your marketing game. In a world full of marketing tools, ONPASSIVE stands out with its unique features and benefits. It's not just about standing out, it's about standing tall and making a difference. And that's what ONPASSIVE is all about. Ready to take your marketing game to the next level with ONPASSIVE? Let's talk about how you can get started. The first step is simple: sign up. Once you've registered, you'll have access to the full suite of ONPASSIVE's cutting-edge marketing tools. Next, familiarize yourself with the platform. Spend some time exploring the features, and don't be afraid to experiment. ONPASSIVE is designed to be intuitive, but like anything new, it takes a bit of getting used to. To make the most out of ONPASSIVE, set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your marketing campaign? Once you've established your objectives, you can use ONPASSIVE's data analytics tools to track your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Remember, ONPASSIVE is more than just a tool, it's a team. Our specialists are always ready to lend a hand, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need help. Don't wait, elevate your marketing game with ONPASSIVE today. For information on how you can sign up for this awesome business building opportunity, please go to the description below. Thank you, and to your success.